So in order to test this, I cloned my own voice, and I created a message for my daughter, and I created a message for my accounts team here at Reinteractive.
Hi Emily, there has been an emergency and Mum is in hospital. I can't pick you up from school. My friend Tom is going to pick you up. Please go to the IGA near school and Tom will get you in his white van. Sorry, I have to go. Something has happened to Mum.
Okay, so if you imagine your kid gets that as a voicemail after they come out of school. And I did speak to my daughter about this, and she said if I'd had that as voicemail, I would have known the difference. So the other one I haven't tried yet, but I'm going to just to see how my accounts team responds to this.
Hi Sarah, it's Kane. I am about to send you an email. I urgently need a bill paid for a marketing service, or we will get cut off. As soon as you get the email, could you please transfer the funds? Thanks.
So again, so my accounts person's in the US at the moment, so I'm going to send this overnight or during the day when she's going to get it as a voicemail, and then I'll talk to her afterwards. I'm going to see how she reacted to it. It's a bit of a test on my side.